Everyone, Joseph Gallegos here with Greywater Green. Today we're going to talk about the Aquifer Pipe. The Aquifer Pipe is a new category of irrigation. So you got to throw away everything you know about current irrigation and rethink how this is going to be applied to your property and how it's going to benefit your property. The Aquifer Pipe is a pipe that sits 12 inches below the ground and creates a virtual water table. It's not small, it's 3 inches in diameter and creates a saturated zone. From that saturated zone, it creates a moisture plume, and the plants feed from the moisture plume. Why this is important? Well, traditional irrigation, sprinkler in particular, whenever you turn it on, it throws water all over the place, and you typically have a lot of overspray. That lands on the side of the building, creates wear and tear around the sills of windows, or leaves that white scum on the side of the window, very discoloring. If it lands on any type of metal, it'll start to eat away at the base of that metal. So you have signs falling over or handrails could come apart, creating liabilities, as well as you get runoff that goes off into the blacktop area and starts to wear and tear on that blacktop, that asphalt. Before you know it, you have cracks, and the cracks lead to potholes. It's constant wear and tear when you have sprinkler systems. With the Aquifer Pipe, it's all subsurface, and all that goes away. So think of the Aquifer Pipe not only for regular water, drinking water can be applied through that system, but also gray water. That's water from your air conditioning condensation or from the bathroom sinks or showers. And when you utilize gray water, you're going to save money, which means that you're not spending money for drinkable water to put on your landscape. Instead, you're taking the water you've already paid for at the bathroom sinks, or taking water from that's created from the condensation of the air conditioners and utilizing that as your irrigation source. So I hope that helps out, shows how we can help you improve the maintenance of your buildings, save costs, at the same time keeping everything nice and beautiful. Have a great day.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.